Ever tried pounding meat thin and ended up with a mess? Let's dive into the best ways to tenderize meat, ensuring it turns out perfectly every time. Tenderizing meat involves breaking down tough muscle fibers. This process can make cheek cuts of meat into tender morsels, perfect for grilling or cooking. Physical methods include using a knife or meat mallet. Pounding with a meat mallet can break down muscle fibers and make the meat thinner, but be careful not to overdo it. Marinating is another effective technique. Use an acidic marinade with ingredients like vinegar or lemon juice to help break down muscle fibers and add flavor. Salt also plays a role in tenderizing. Adding salt can draw out moisture, which then reabsorbs into the meat, making it juicier and more flavorful. Cooking low and slow is key for tough cuts. This method allows the muscle fibers to relax over time, resulting in a tender texture. By combining these techniques, you can turn any cut of meat into a delicious meal. Remember, the key is to balance methods for optimal results. So there you have it, tenderizing made easy. What's your go-to method? What's your go-to method? Share in the comments.